Live, and we are live again. Welcome to an edition of Crypto News. This is the last format of half an hour that we're going to have today. Next week, we're going to go through 15 minutes format every day, every single day. Every single day, starting from Sunday to Saturday, and then Sunday. Oh my gosh, every single day, 15 minutes a day. Okay, going to start about 8 p.m. Okay, 8 p.m. Singapore time, UTC plus 8. Is it 8? I have to get this right, okay? UTC plus 8. Why? Well, I'll tell you why. Because the crypto markets are about to boom, in my very, very humble opinion. Frankly speaking, Bitcoin has kind of turned a corner. And we are now really waiting for the DeFi rally now. Let's see what's happening with Bitcoin here. Now, as you can see there, what do you see? Bitcoin is up over 40,000, 40,700. That's good. The dominance is up also. It's caused mostly by Bitcoin because if you see, it's moving faster than the rest, 7.2%, 2.6%. So it's leading. So once Bitcoin goes and channels again, then I think the other altcoins will go up. Even Binance Coin has not come a lot, right? Look at Cardano. Oh, look at Cardano, 7 days, 24%, but Bitcoin is 36. This is quite surprising, but I'm not surprised at all because what's happening here is simple. Bitcoin is taking the lead. And let me tell you what happens in a crypto market. This is the function of a cycle. So what is happening to you, Mr. Bitcoin? Well, let's see. Oh, we are up there again. So we said that day, right? I think we have seen this chart so many times. You guys should be bored of it already. But let's take a look at it again. This is the Wyckoff accumulation pattern that we're waiting for. We said that it goes around here. We said that day, right? It's going to surpass this, get stopped there. Well, around there got stopped, and now it's attempting again. Maybe it's trying to go to 45, possibly. I can see it there, yeah, around there, 42 to 45, after which we want Bitcoin to kind of, hey, Bitcoin, relax. Because when Bitcoin relaxes, that is when we will have the alts rally. We want the alts to rally, right? So those of you that have DeFi positions have to be more patient. Those of you that have NFTs are more happier. But the thing is this, I just want to tell you this, that this move was caused by Amazon, right? Amazon suddenly saying that, hey, they might accept Bitcoin for payment. And what good news this will be if Bitcoin, that Amazon accepts Bitcoin. And what happens here? What happens here is this. Suddenly, after this, what does Amazon do? Okay, Amazon being Amazon, no, suddenly no, we have no plans to accept Bitcoin payment. Speculation has ensued around our specific plans for cryptocurrencies. So no from Amazon, no coin or no whatever. So look at it. It was distributed by City AM, distributed free on London Underground. So this came from Pancake Lord from London. Is this Pancake Lord? Might be him, citing a single insider. So it did not happen. So it did not happen. You expect it to crash, right? I mean, hey guys, this is like fake news. I mean, in any other market, if this were fake news, what would happen to Bitcoin now? Let's be honest, it would be dumped right below there. We'd probably be staring at 28 or 29, but this is cryptocurrencies, and you guys are clever. You know by now that cryptocurrencies don't operate like that. Cryptocurrencies operate in a cycle. And this is just a cycle that it wants to go up. So after this, look what happens. There was another news that made it go up, but I don't think it was this news that made it go up. Not possible. Look at this, Shopify. It's now changed to Shopify. Shopify is driving this. And look at this. allows merchants to sell NFTs directly through their storefronts. Isn't that good? So this is not even about Bitcoin, but look at this, it's very interesting. The NBA Chicago Bulls launched its first ever NFTs online store on Shopify. So now you guys can go to Shopify to buy NFTs. This is great. And look at this. Look at this, guys. What is it doing? What is the blockchain that it is doing? Look at this. Selected the Flow blockchain. Flow, Dapper Labs, CryptoKitties. Again, driving NFTs again. So overall, Shopify merchants can choose today from Flow and Ethereum, but soon we'll have more choice, yeah, because Ethereum, yeah, we haven't hit August 4th yet, right? Although the prices of the gas are low, not low enough. So I think what's coming up is something from Polygon, because Polygon always seems to be there, okay? So look at that, creators seeing the value of NFTs, and they're moving some of the friction. So again, you have the news on Shopify now, which isn't that great, but I mean, nobody cares, right? Nobody cares. So what happened here? So this was the liquidation that we were looking at, right? I was telling you, look at that. How many people got burned here? Burn, baby, burn. They were shorting and they got burned. Do we have the data on the liquidation? Is this it? No, this is something else. Look at this. MasterCard. Yeah, I was reading this, right? It's like MasterCard here. You don't see it, but because this thing is like, remind me later. MasterCard launches cryptocurrency startup accelerator. Look at that. Even MasterCard is backing crypto companies. There must be a reason. This is why I said crypto now is different from crypto before. There are some real use cases and the people are coming in to make it real. And Binance even has reduced their leverage and all that, right? And look at that, the metaverse. Facebook creates exec team to work on Mark Zuckerberg's vision for a digital universe. Again, a digital universe is basically something like your physical now. You can have an office in the digital universe, so you can work on your office somewhere else using virtual reality. I can meet you in virtual reality. And this is something like the Matrix. So, you know, we might be something like that. Maybe we are one day. We're just sitting around on the Matrix. This is very big for NFTs. So remember that Facebook is going from social media, and I'm glad that they're taking the lead because they are big enough to fund this. Social media to a metaverse company. So if you are not in content creation, maybe you should be. You guys should be creating content, you know, because the metaverse here is the best place you could sell content, because on the metaverse, you can even buy property. Your shop front can be here, okay? And unfortunately, I think the property on the metaverse is more expensive than the property on the physical thing, but just shows you what's happening in this world. It's all very exciting, but I was looking just now at this, right? This kind of liquidations that go on. It's very fun to find all these liquidations. You know, just love it when people are just liquidated away, because you know, yeah, we've been in this chop for very long, but it's good because it looks like it is finally breaking out, right? Breaking out. And let's see what Ethereum is doing now. For those of you that are fans of Ethereum, yeah, see that I kind of like things. I told you guys that I want Bitcoin to go down. I don't want it to crash. I want Bitcoin to go down. I just don't want it to crash, because when Bitcoin goes down, you will see things like Ethereum starting to go up, and Ethereum is doing its same thing again. What did we see, guys? What did we see before the launch of Ethereum 2.0? Well, we're not going to go back in time. It happened the same like this. I think it was 5 times at that time. It tried to break the resistance, but didn't. Let's count. 1. I'm going to put it in yellow so you guys can see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh my God. So if you draw that line here, okay. Again, this is probability. I'm just saying that just like last time, I remember the number 5. Just like last time, this is the 6th time. So If you guys are on Ethereum, what are you doing? You are hoping for Bitcoin to steady out so that Ethereum can go up and drive what we call DeFi Summer 2.0. Of course, we have the Polkadots of the world ready, right? Because we have the Polkadots of the world already doing a swap on Karura Swap. So it's just that we need to Bitcoin to slow down Bitcoin. It's hard being this, right? It's hard being a crypto investor. There we were crying. We were crying. We thought the world had ended. Some of us said that Bitcoin was going to 20, 23, 18, 3, right? And we would say, oh, please go up. But now what do? When Bitcoin goes out, wait. Can you just wait? Because we want the altcoins to go up. So here's another coin that I told you guys to follow. If you want to see a DeFi rally, right, same pattern as Ethereum, because usually in a DeFi rally, it would be led by Link, right? It would be led by Link, which is because you need Link for the what? You need Link for the Oracle. Again, if it breaks out of here, or if it does this or does this, is even better. And then it's the DeFi rally. So please look at Ethereum and Chainlink. What's happening to the S&P 500? Are you going down? I saw the China stocks going down. So now this is even better, guys. This is even better because you know what? I see this. I see the S&P going down. I see cryptos going up. Oh, yay, guys, yay. I hope we have broken out of that chain that's holding us, right? But having said that, if something happens to the S&P, then it might happen to Bitcoin and the cryptocurrency market. Anyway, just see what's happening in China. You know, I saw a bunch of Chinese stocks going down like Alibaba, Didi, and all that, right? Meituan, well, I don't know what Meituan is. It just comes up on my stock app and like, okay, what's happening? Well, I don't care because I don't have it, but it's still of a concern to me. You look at what's happening to NFT. So you guys have to remember that the Amazon rumor was driving up the this, right? Was driving up the Bitcoin. Facebook is driving out, and then look at that, Axie Infinity doing it again. Axie Infinity is so weird. Like every dip is like buy the dip, buy the dip. Flow is now quite steady. Hasn't broken out yet. Look at this, Alice. I told you guys, right? I told you guys that, hey, look for the dip on Alice. Who knows why? Anybody knows why? YouTube, you guys knows why this thing goes up. I mean, to me, it's like, I see a pattern on Alice. It's like, just like automatic. It's just like, you know, it's one of those patterns that I give you guys in the private class that this is just automatic, that it will happen. You don't know when, but you kind of know that if an event happens like this, you just know it's going to pop. And, you know, if you're trading, you're okay. Just get out before before anything happens, okay? So no harm done there, okay? So what else do we have here? Let's see what we have on CoinDesk now. The one who is Crypto Potato. I want to see the latest news on CoinDesk. What do we have here, Mr. CoinDesk? And I want to see here, hey, this is about Elon holds Tesla. Well, that's good, Elon. Well, thank you very much. Good thing that you didn't sell this. You didn't sell the Bitcoin, right? Let's go to Cointelegraph and CoinDesk. Let's see what's happening. But I just want to show you that when Bitcoin wants to go up, it wants to go up. But be careful now, because what is happening now is a short squeeze, right? The shorts are being squeezed. They have to buy back the positions. In fact, they've been liquidated a lot. So this might not be coming from real buying power, okay? So I do expect it to go down and hold steady, which should give us a DeFi rally or whatever you want to call it. Stable coins in the news, yes, be careful because the Tether guys could be summoned again by the authorities. Ripple on demand corridor opens between Japan and Philippines. That's cool. Yeah, XRP. Oh, no wonder XRP is up, right? Because of Japan and Philippines. Excellent. Holistics response to dangers of crypto. Okay, we do that. Look at that. First half institutions took exposure. This is good. I think that Ether is going to be good. I think that we will have an Ether ETF after we have a Bitcoin ETF. This looks like the next big thing because why? because there is going to be deflation, right? August 4th. So here's the deal. Come to our free wallets class on Sunday. Where's the link? Yeah, can you put down the link? So here's the deal. What is Ether now? Again, it's not about buying 2,300 worth of Ether and waiting it to go to 4,600. No, I'm not going to discuss about that. I'm not interested in that. Crypto Moon 3 is not about this. That's boring. That would bore me to death. I'm talking about buying 2,300 worth of Ether, still the same, you can buy smaller. I'm talking about taking 500 out of here and taking 500 out of here. This one I put in IDOs. This goes 10 times. This becomes 5,000. And this becomes like 4 times, right? If I can mint an NFT with this, I can mint it on another coin. That's okay. This becomes 2,000. So rather than waiting and having lots of sleepless nights, and watching coin market cap every half an hour, every 1 hour, I don't want to do that. I want to do this so that eventually my stack here goes to 4,600 plus 5,000 plus 2,000. What is that? That's 9,000. That's 13,006. Yeah, that's 13,006. I love that. And even if Ether goes down, I will still be profitable. Okay, that's what I'm talking about. When I'm talking about the DeFi rally, I am talking about that. You guys understand that? Because this is the next topic. This has to do with IDOs and all that, right? What's happening in Cointelegraph? Tell me. Breaks 40K for the second time. Binance is now, looks like, following the rules. They are following FTX, Sam Beckman-Fried. This is good. Wow. Donation tricky to cash out. Yeah, I don't know how. How will he cash out of Shiba Inu? ETH again, ETH again, ETH again. Yeah. So again, a lot of firms are. That's why I said, when people say that crypto is bearish and crypto is that, I understand when people say that the S&P is over valued, all that, and we're going to go crash. I understand. I truly understand. But you haven't answered my question. Where in the world am I going to put my money? I don't know. And nobody can give me a satisfactory answer, right? Except putting it to the bank, but I didn't have to ask you that, okay? So look at that. Yeah. Oh, digital ruble. So again, look at all these things. These are about what? These are about things like changing nowadays, right? So yeah, just be ready for this. Okay, next, let's go on the next thing, which is IDO. So again, when I said to me, it's very simple. IDOs are the best way to make money. And this is an example of an IDO that I went in. I am just telling you what I think. So in all these IDOs, this is what's happening. Okay, this is what's happening when they come out like this. And you're going to see this a lot, right? Let me go here. Let me draw here. You see this, right? The first thing goes up. Why? Because the robots are in. There are a lot of robots here that are good. They're faster than you. They'll buy here and probably they'll sell here. They have algorithms there, okay? And then it dumps again. And then, as I said, if there is news that's about the company that enhances the value of the company, guess what? It is going to go up again. That's just what it does. And it has gone up again. And this I have cashed out, okay? I have cashed out at about 20 times. Yes, I put in 300 bucks here. And 20 times, that's 6,000. But I got the token I got $300 worth of token, right? And when you have something like this, not only do I have the token, but the team here also has the token. The team here also has the token, and they selected me out of a pool, right? They selected me and a couple of others out of pool. We were the lucky ones. So that's a 10x. That's what I was talking about. Next one, iPad. You guys go into iPad. Who got iPad again? Very, very sorry. I got iPad again. Oh, yeah, I got another iPad, right? I got iPad. It was coming out at 2 cents. If you guys remember here, the base price is 2 cents. It's now gone 24 cents. That is 12 times. I made 20 times here. Let's put it again here. I made 20 times here. on Fever. So this is a bad market, right? I made 10 times, no, I made 12 times on what? I made 12 times on iPad. That's kind of cool. Again, this is about me. And then what happened next? I also went into formation. Yes, I got selected also for formation. And for formation phi, it has gone up like from 3 cents, it has gone up like 9 times, right? It has gone up like 9 times. It has kind of gone up like 9 times. This is kind of cool. Can I change this to daily? 9 times. I didn't sell. I put my sell limit order at 10, but it didn't hit it. You know, it didn't hit it. Just barely here. It didn't quite hit it. I think I put just slightly above this. I'm not happy. I'm not happy. Should have gotten out. But never mind. I still got a 9x here. So if you see this 20x, 12 and 9x, these are good. Okay, so I got the tokens. I got the tokens, and the team also has the tokens. So the guys who are on the team are obviously making money, right? So again, let's do the other one. So you guys remember on Monday, right? Was it a Monday? Yeah, we had this IDO. Was it last Wednesday? I forgot. We had scale swap, right? We kind of had the scale swap IDO. So this didn't do very well, guys. This offer was 35 cents. Look at here. When it first goes up, went up to 110. Again, it's unlikely you would be able to get into this unless you were super duper quick. Okay, this happens within seconds. Robots pull up, pull it down to about what, 45, which is just above its IDO price of 35. And then it goes up again. So what is happening, what you can see here, if you are in a DeFi and you are in an NFT, you will do very well. Scale swap didn't do very well. So you might be asking, hey, iPad went 12x. This one is only 2x. Why? Can you tell me why? Who knows why? But this finished within 26 seconds. I mean, if it finished within 26 seconds, which is not my time limit to get, right? I can get an IDO if it finishes within 1 minute. I know how to do that. I can get an IDO if I'm lucky, and I'm often lucky enough to get in within 45 seconds, but I cannot get anything if it goes within 26x. So who knows on YouTube, why is this 2x? This is very important. So look, 26 seconds, you would say very good. I mean, those who got in here would be waiting, hey, I'm going to the moon, I'm going to the moon, I'm going to the moon. What in the world happened? Why? Why? And you need to understand this. Why can it go like this? And this has happened many, many times. Can it go like that? This is normal. Guys, if you are into IDOs and you are like FOMO and it dumps, don't blame anyone, blame yourselves. Now, we don't know how long this will go for, but you know, I mean, you'll be here like you say, I don't want to buy, and then it goes to 90, you regret. We don't know. But usually this is because of robots and then it goes down. But when it went up, it's struggling. Why? And you need to know why it's struggling and why it didn't do a 12x like iPad. Because this is the same, you know, this is like the same, right? This is like the thing. This is like the, yeah, this is iPad. Same. Who knows why? Who knows why? Please type. I want to see here. Please type. Who knows why this did not perform? Yeah, I'm angry too, okay? I am angry too. I am angry too. I am angry too. I'm angry too. Who knows why? Let's see the answers, guys. Who knows why? And yeah, I'm trying to find, yeah, do we have a link for the wallets class? One moment. Why? So please come to the wallets class. It's on 1st of August. This is like, you know, we have wallets class every Sunday, okay? The first day of Sunday, the first Sunday of the month, we do have wallets class, so do not be shy, do come in. But why? Who knows why this happened? And I will tell you why, and then I'm going to tell you why. Another secret of how you guys can get into IDOs like this, because let's face it, on IDOs like this, are you going to get in, guys? Possibly no, okay? Possibly, that's just reality, okay? Sorry for breaking the news, but it's just very, very hard to happen. Let me put it here. Yeah, I'm going to put the thing here. Okay, guys, that is the link to the wallets class. It's on YouTube. Please do that. Okay, so let me tell you why. Because this scale swap, they kind of screwed up. They screwed up. They basically delayed the IDO twice. The first one was for what, right? The first one was when they had a DDoS attack. The second one, and there was a delay. The first one like delayed for like 2 weeks. The second one delayed for several hours. So I think the community was very, very angry, right? The community was very angry. And that's why now, when you have all this, you know, it is really not good to have all this when, you know, the team is, the team takes tokens, right? Now, I already told you that, you know, this is a case where, you know, where I get it and a few people get onto the short list and then there's the team token. Now, how would you like something where, here's the deal. These guys don't get it. It's fair. It is open to everyone. That means if they say that it's going to open at 12, it's going to open at 12. And you can go in and buy at 12:00 or 12 p.m. or whatever, right? Or 12 p.m. 1 seconds. It's done, you know? You can just go into the pool on PancakeSwap or Uniswap or QuickSwap. If it's a Polygon thing, it's on QuickSwap. Because you like guys like cheap fees, right? And when you can do that, guess what? You just go and buy, and that is called a fair launch. So now all of you are going in, right? This is what's going to happen. All of you now are going in, and again, you're going to push this up. As usual, the robot comes in and pushes this up, and then it goes down like this. But as long as the coin is going, doing something, don't worry, it will push up again. Now, the fair launch is launch Y. Now, you say like, hey, how come somebody would not be very intelligent? You're talking about the founders and the guys who hold the coins here, right? So they funded all this thing. They have their various projects, and they can say, you here, come in, you're a newbie. You don't even know anything about this project. I mean, guys, you might heard it from a friend. You can actually front run these people. You can front run these people now. Let me tell you why they love to do this. Because in any liquidity pool, at the end of the day, you have these number of tokens, right? And as you know, every day there are blocks that are produced. These blocks here go to the founders. They don't go to you, they go to the founders. It's called development tokens. Some of these blocks here, they go to your rewards, right? The liquidity pool rewards. This is how they reward you. It didn't come from nothing. So because of that, what they are doing is they are sacrificing. They are not getting their rewards now. Don't worry. If you see things like this, you won't see someone on Instagram from one of the founders going out to buy a Lamborghini. That is not going to happen, okay? You might see him buying a what? What's a good car, guys? Toyota Corolla? I don't know. Maybe he's going to buy a Toyota Corolla. Maybe he's going to buy a moped. Because they don't have the rewards yet. They cannot sell it. It has not come out yet. And they're still waiting, okay? And this is why the fair launch is very good. Because this forces the founders here to what? This forces the founders here to deliver value, okay? You're talking about founders here, and they now have to really, really totally deliver value here. They gotta be delivering value, because if they don't deliver value, they are, well, they don't get it. So, because you have to understand, I think this is good because, you know, new companies, how do you know that the new company is going to be successful? You don't, right? So what you are doing in a fair launch is basically saying to the founders, hey, if I am going to buy your token, or rather if I'm going to invest your token, again, this is not financial advice, but what you are saying is, if I am going to invest in your token, I would like to know that you, yes, you, the founder, is not going to cash out. I would like to know that you, the founder, have to deliver value which will result in the increase of your token price. And I can get in first. This ensures that the founders work for you. Now, isn't that what a shareholder is supposed to be, right? Isn't that, or a token holder, or whatever it is, because you actually don't own the shares of the company, but it's like that, right? I mean, someone suddenly creates something or creates a company like this, you kind of go and invest and support it. You want the founders to be there, right? Not until the end of time, but you want the founders to be there until something is truly, truly delivered. And so I hope you understand it. That's why now, really, the rage here is about, the rage now is really about founders token. Okay, the rage here is really about founders token. So I think this is cool, guys. So again, when you are looking for these kind of opportunities, you guys need to look for all this. Again, I hope to see you in the wallets class, because we are going to another lesson in MetaMask, and I have 200 ringgit or $50 for you guys. So until then, if you are fed up of seeing me making 10 times, then go and find something that's fair launch, okay? Go and find something that's fair launch. Try to get in early. Keep cool. Don't panic if it goes down, because I showed you my IDOs, right? Did it go down? Yes. Did I panic? No. And I hodled it, and I got already out one at 20x. I'm going to get out of the other one at 12x, and the next one, I already put in the order. I hope I get in out at 10x. That isn't such a good, yeah, that's not a bad time, right? That's not a bad time for Bitcoin going bearish and all that, okay? So until we see you again, until I see you again, what do I say, guys? Hold the line, hold the line. The line is coming back. Anything is possible. I am possible. See you next week in a new format. Bye.